So I know I've been talking lately about big changes for 2024 for Ranger Made knives. And some of you may have even noticed a couple of references to a new shop. Well, we're not in Texas anymore. So right now, we are getting the new shop prepped. Expecting a call from Haas anytime for the CNC machine. That new redesigned mini mill to come in. So we need to, we're getting hot, getting paneling put up. Just got the shop insulated. Today I'm running electrical. There's my buddy Don, hard at work, hanging the paneling for me.